Okay, now we're in this Lightning readiness, Lightning Experience Migration Assistant. You clicked it on, we're already over here, meaning we moved, did this, clicked here, now we're here. You can compare Lightning with Classic, right? All the things. There's a lot more functionality, as you can see, in Lightning. Watch my video on why Lightning warp speeds Salesforce. You go through, you do the next steps, you do it up here, right? And hey, Volk, when you're dealing with it, it's like, what's the domain name that the company wants? Because Salesforce can render all sorts of things dynamically into a domain name, and that's for your communities, and that's a big project. And then shared activities, like how do you share activities? Enable group tasks, roll-up activities, enable creation of recurring events, reminders, user control over task assignment notifications, enable email tracking, which is when I send you an email, it'll kick back, but that's when you enable it through your Outlook 360 or a Gmail or whatever, right? It's Yahoo, it doesn't matter. Show simple task formation on mobile, enable multi-day events, allow, right? Right now, okay, fine, I'm ignoring this. Let me go back. And then set up a domain. This is key too, because this domain, right, this is linked actually to the sandbox, which is called Field Nation. But it'll be forever the company's domain. And it's for sites and Canvas, right? And then news and next steps, and then fine tune. Who can use Lightning? Switch users to Lightning and encourage user to stay in Lightning, right? And then fine tune. There's a lot to it, and then switch it on. So learn, check readiness, turn it on, enable it. Do it in the sandbox first. So the key problems are going to be visual force pages, right? Maybe you have an app. These things. Custom JavaScript buttons. JavaScript buttons. Some of these things here, right? That are JavaScript specifically. Here, visual force. These are all coded, right? A visual force button, like a mass edit. That's no problem. And then custom home screens, things like that, because those are coded. Oh, let's do triggers. Task triggers. This could all be problems. Like what kind of triggers are on opportunities? None. Okay, no problem. But the Lightning Readiness Report will give you that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And with that, it's a summary. It's a process. You can switch back and forth. Do it in Lightning. Enable Lightning. It's enabled for all standard users. For custom profiles, you need to make it hot, and that's it. And then you need to consider sites. You need to consider sharing rules, and you need to consider the sites for communities, like Jorgen.com. You'll be forever linked to that. So if you let some consultant choose that, then your organization will be linked to that via Salesforce.